Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. If you mess with the honk, you're gonna get bonk. Before we get this video started, want to give a big shout out to Cute Poison for the super chat on the last honk video. Now, if you guys watched the last video, if you guys paid attention, I did make this a money bag alert. It is in the Money Bags mansion, where I have a link for that Telegram in my description down below. Make sure you guys tap in. It's a free Telegram where I show even the videos that I do on Honk. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. We're going to do some price prediction technical analysis at the end of the video again, considering the prices have been pumping. But first off, let's go over the latest and greatest from Honk. Big shout out to this community. Keep going hard. Let's keep sending this one. We're doing great. Make sure you guys give me a follow also at Rico Moneybags, and give Honk a follow at Honk_SOL, and make sure the bell notification is lit. Now, as far as the latest and greatest, let's see what we got from the Honk community. So we got: our conviction in the ultimate goal to flip Bonk has never been stronger. Facing off against our formidable silly geese army is a task no one can withstand. Honk is here to impose the goose supremacy and dispatch all dogs into oblivion. Now, when we look at the chart, we can see this happening. What's crazy, it's exactly how we drew this on the chart, that we were going to break past this resistance, come back down, make a support, and start to rock back up. If this is something that interests you, make sure you guys watch to the end of the video. Let's go over the latest and continue, because we got some big news coming from the Honk team. And let's like and retweet this. Let's make sure we engage. Let's try to get over 100 likes on this. Pin this in the Telegram, retweet this on the X page. That'll help the YouTube algorithm let people know what we got going on over here, with the charts looking good and these new developments that I'm going to talk about right now. We are excited to announce that our game Honk-Bonk is live on Google Play Store. You can now download and play the game on your Android devices. Play as Honk the Goose and smash as many bonk dogs as possible. Click here to download. So go ahead and tap in with that. You guys, I'll have all the official links down below right here. What do I see this right here? We got Honk buyback happened. So got bit right there. This is bullish right here. This happened 8 hours ago, and they knew what was up. This is what's going on right now. I think that this is going to continue. We're not too far away from pushing all-time highs. We're at a $10 million market cap. We know that Solana is that chain right now that's giving us those 2021 vibes. We're not that far away from all-time highs. Let's talk about our next channel that we're in right now on the channel. Now that you guys made it to this part of the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tap in with me on the Money Bags Mansion. You guys are going to love it in there. A lot of special things coming, but let's go ahead and talk about this right here. So we're right around here. This is the next channel that we're in, that we're facing. It's a little bit give or take, because we want to find the support, and I see one right here, this line right here, this vertical line. We try to hold on to it in the past. We couldn't hold on to it right here. That's why we lost it. We came back down. We got a back above it. We got bullish, but again, we didn't hold on to it. So this area right here at 1662, right above that 1.5 cents, is that psychological barrier. Remember, 1 cent, 1.5 cents, 2 cents, 2.5 cents, and so forth. So right now we're trading within the range of right underneath 1 cent, the psychological barrier of erasing that zero, and going above to 1.5 cents to go ahead and push towards, 2 cents, and going back towards all-time highs at 27, almost 3 cents, almost a $30 million market cap. Can this one go back? Yes, I believe this for sure is in the range and potential with this type of community to get easily to that $100 million market cap. Beyond that will be based on the community's continued engagement, the way you guys engage on all social media posts, not just my videos, but everything to do with Honk. Like I said, big shout out to Q Poison for the super chat. I mean, that makes me feel super bullish. And all those super chats that get sent from the Honk videos will just go buy more Honk. That's what I'm going to do with that, because I am bullish on this. I love active communities, and let's make this video really make some noise. So I'm going to ask the Honk community, share this as hard as you guys can on your X page, Facebook, all social media platforms, so the algorithms pick it up. Our next ranges are between that 1 cent mark and that 1.5 cents, getting above it right at that 16. And then we can go ahead and kick that FOMO off, because we notice when we break past that, we really get some kind of, momentum push. So don't get shaken out of your position. Remember, it could look something like this, like we just played out before, and rock up. Right now, we're above here. Anything in this zone, this is all green light. This is all good. Anything above this tells institutional traders, anybody who trades in the space, that now we made a new support. This is our new zero. We're not going underneath this. So make sure we hold this, push above this, and then our next zone would be this one right here, getting right above this 1.5 cents, going to 2 cents. Smash the like button, subscribe, bell notification, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.